This is Fast Car Decals, and I wanted to go over a couple of tips on a real popular kit, the Chase Rally. Excellent stripe kit. It looks really good on the new body style from 2016 up. This particular Silverado is a 2018, and as you can see, it really looks good on the hood. It actually makes that hood look like it's got louvers, like hood scoops, and it's been a real popular seller, and sometimes it can be tricky to put on. So there's a couple of tips I wanted to share with you on putting this on. This particular kit is an Avery Supreme Wrap Silver, and one of the tricks on the hood is when you get it, there's a slit already in it that actually helps you with the stripe when it comes to be in this area right here. There's a small slit, about 2 inches. What I do is I go ahead and I make that probably all the way to here. I go ahead and cut it, and I cut the pre-mess is what I'm cutting. That way this allows me to lay this down, and then I can come back and bring this back around and meet with it instead of trying to do it all at one time. This has been something that I learned the hard way, but it's you're just taking the slit that they've got. They'll have a slit right here in the stripe through the pre-mask, and I just extend that to about the radius, and that way I can work it and then work this separately. So that's a trick for the tip for installing the hood on the Chase Rally kit. Now I'm gonna go back here to the back side, and I have another tip on the back side of this particular kit that might come in handy, that after doing a few you figure it out. But here's what it looks like on the tailgate. It really looks nice. It really brings the truck together. But one of the things that you've got is you've got this concaved area here that you got to kind of allow for it. And so I'm like, wow, how can you? The first time I did one, I started here, but by the time you get to here, it can get hairy. So what I've done is I found out that I really like it just off that body line right here. Just about a 1/4 inch off that body line. So what I'll do is I'll line that up, and I'll go ahead and figure that bottom of that stripe, bottom of the pre-mask is about right here, so it's right along that edge. Nice straight edge to go by, and then tape it up, do the hinge method, and go up. And then when I reach this area, it's hard to get a paddle in there. It just doesn't want to fit. So use the good old thumb, and this is with the Avery Supreme Wrap Dry, and you can even do it with the wet install as well. But take that thumb and just work that thumb back and forth, and just take your time. Oh, got a wrinkle, pull it back, put it back, work it until you get to the very end, and that should put you right where you need it. And that's what I do, and it makes it a lot easier. No guesswork. It's easier to come up from the bottom than it is from the top. And again, this is the Chase Rally kit from the 2016, 2017, 2018 Silverado, Chevy Silverado pickup truck, 1500. It's a really nice looking kit. You can purchase it here on our website. And if you have any questions on an install, please give me a call. Again, this is Fast Car Decals, and we thank you for your support.